As we are moving towards the closing ceremony of the conference, we hope that you will take with you a deeper appreciation for the history of Lyallpur and the incredible journey of its people. Let us continue to preserve and celebrate our heritage, drawing lessons from the past to shape a brighter future. Now I would like to invite Ms. Ayman Asim. She is member of our management team. She is studying BS English Linguistics and Literature in GC University, Faisalabad. She is going to present a conference summary in front of you. Ms. Ayman Asim.
As we draw the International Lyallpur History Conference 2024 to a close, I would like to share a summary of the conference, which will be followed by a certificate distribution ceremony. Session 1. Dr. Muhammad Yasin and Muhammad Yasir Nasir examined the incidents of mob extremism in Faisalabad, Gojra, Jaranwala, Samundri, and Toba Texing, highlighting how socio-economic deprivation contributes to religious intolerance. The paper of Dr. Chaman Hussain and Dr. Mehboob Hussain shed light on the experiences of women migrants from colonial times to the present, emphasizing the critical role of female migrants. Dr. Najibur Rahman's research focused on the evolution of eating and dressing habits in Faisalabad, as well as the emergence of various political and economical trends in the city. Dr. Pipa Virde explored the complexities created by multiple migrations, movement of people, and ancestral homes, aiming to recover some of these lost connections and their associated histories. Mr. Manveer Singh addressed the political and military instability within the Lahore Darbar was a key factor behind the fall of the empire. Session 2, Mr. Amir Riaz analyzed the growing power of Pakistan and India since 1947, urging a re-evaluation of the historical trajectory of both countries. Professor Pashora Singh's paper explored the leadership of Sikh figures from Lyallpur who played a significant role in the farmers' movement during British rule. Mr. Muhammad Nasir discussed the struggles of bonded laborers in Lyallpur for freedom and basic right along with the subaltern historiography in Western Punjab. Ms. Saima Azhar traced the historical evolution and influence of labor and peasant organization in the Lyallpur division. Mr. Muhammad Abrar Zahoor highlighted the role of print media in constructing communal identities in Punjab. Moving towards session 3, Dr. Umar Hamid investigated the socio-economic development of the National Textile University from its founding in 1950 to present. Mr. Ehsan Ali analyzed the decline in popularity of local theatre among the elite and the families in Faisalabad. Mr. Irfan Valara examined the role of Khojis, traditional trackers, in Punjab's villages, highlighting their ability to acquire competitive skills without formal institutional learning. Ms. Khatija Binte Umar and Saima Umar explored the educational history of Faisalabad. Dr. Zile Humar Rafiq provided a comprehensive overview of educational standards of Madaris in Faisalabad and Jhang, identifying the challenges and opportunities. Moving towards section 4, Professor Dr. Iqbal Chawla discussed Bhagat Singh's idea and his struggle for Indian independence. Dr. Samar and Faizan Naqvi emphasized the art, architecture, and history of key temples in Jaranwala, highlighting their significance to both the local and national history. Ms. Naila Parvez examined the work of Punjabi Sufi poets who gave voice to the suffering of marginalized women in society. Dr. Filik Zimish explored the intersection between historiography and ethnography, questioning how Bhagat Singh's legacy can be reconstructed in contemporary Pakistan despite official narratives that marginalized his contribution. Mr. Shahid Zahir analyzed the challenges faced by indigenous fashion brands originating from Faisalabad. Session 5, Ms. Anne Caston explored overlooked history of refugees, mostly from Western Punjab. Mr. Muhammad bin Umar talked about the dilemma of the societal change in Lyallpur. Mr. Muhammad Irfan discussed the process of land enclosure in Indus Basin and its latest impact on agriculture. Ms. Fakiha Islam examined the historical movements led by minorities in Lyallpur. Mr. Muhammad Safdar and Dr. Gulzar Ahmed raised a question about how Lyallpur has seemingly lost its inherent qualities due to its name's change. Panel 6, Dr. Manzoor Ali. His paper explored the life of Sufi Barkat Ali and his welfare projects. Dr. Rafiq Wasan introduced the concept of Punjabi cultural translation and transmission, focusing on the folk story of Heer Ranjha and its adapted into the Sindhi. Dr. Anne Murphy examined Fazluddin's literary work in Punjabi, exploring how he positioned the Punjabi language in political terms within his broader vision. Dr. Sumaira Akbar acknowledged the contribution of female fiction writers in Faisalabad. Ms. Alia Hadi Ali studied the cultural identity of Punjab by analyzing a collection of female shirts displayed at the Lyallpur Museum, emphasizing their historical significance. Panel 7, Mr. Pervez Wandal discussed how architectural achievements are societal rather than individual, highlighting how Punjab's fertility and wealth attracted visitors, traders, and invaders, leading to both prosperity and destruction. Mr. Muhammad Abdullah examined the challenges of conserving historical buildings in Lyallpur, proposing strategies for effective preservation. Mr. Manik Mustafa Shar uncovered the British Raj architecture in Faisalabad and its broader implications for Pakistan. Ms. Ramisha Khan investigated the measures needed to transform D ground into a thriving and economically dynamic urban area. Ms. Atika Sheikh explored the transition of communal associations across generations in Lyallpur using memory and language as lenses. Please join me in thanking all of our speakers, attendees, and organizers for their invaluable contribution. Please give them a huge round of applause. We now move on to the certificate distribution ceremony. It is my pleasure to invite President Lyallpur Literary Council and Chairman Interloop, Mr. Musaddiq Zulkarnain, to please come on the stage and present certificates to our esteemed session chairs, guest speakers, and management team. Now I would like to invite our respected session chairs to please come on the stage and receive their certificates. Please welcome Professor Dr. Kawal Khalid. Professor Dr. Muhammad Iqbal Chawla. Dr. Rubina Yasmin. Professor Rizwanullah Kokab. Proceeding with the session, I would like to invite our respected guest speakers to please come on the stage and receive their certificates. Please welcome Dr. Muhammad Yasin. Dr. Najibur Rahman. Dr. Pipa Virde. Dr. Piri Alan Bod. Mr. Amir Riaz. Professor Pashora Singh. Mr. Muhammad Nasir. Ms. Saima Azhar. Mr. Muhammad Abrar Zahoor. Dr. Umar Hamid. Mr. Irfan Velara. Miss Khatija Binte Umar. Dr. Zille Humma Rafiq. Professor Dr. Iqbal Chawla. Dr. Samar. Dr. Naila Parvez. Dr. Philip Zemish. Mr. Shahid Zahir. Miss Anne Castaigne. Mr. Muhammad bin Umar. Mr. Muhammad Irfan. Miss Fakiha Islam. Mr. Muhammad Safdar. Dr. Manzoor Ali. Dr. Rafiq Wasan. Dr. Anne Murphy. Dr. Sumaira Akbar. Miss Alia Hadi Ali. Mr. Parvez Vandal. Mr. Muhammad Abdullah. Mr. Manik Mustafa Shar. Miss Ramisha Khan. Miss Atika Sheikh. Now moving on to our management team, I request them to please come on stage and receive their certificates. Please welcome Muhammad Umair Irshad, Asad Ali, Anwarul Haq, Amara Imran, Iram Zahra, Huda Naveed Wins, Malaika Tahir, Ayman Asim. As we proceed, Lyallpur Literary Council would like to present souvenirs to our sponsors in order to sincerely thank them for their commitment to promoting historical scholarship and for contributing to the success of this event. Please welcome the representative of Bank Al Falah, Mr. Adil Shahriar, Regional Head, Bank Alfala Limited. Now I cordially invite the representative of Interloop Limited, Humayun Javed Khan, Senior General Manager, Interloop Limited, to please come on the stage and receive the souvenir. Continuing with our program, I would like to request Dr. Khola Chima, the conference convener, to please present the souvenir to Mr. Musaddiq Zulkarnain, President Lyallpur Literary Council and Chairman Interloop, for his dedication to promoting historical scholarship and the unwavering support he provided to make this conference a success.